Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful Oxford, Pennsylvania, working on a storm door project for a customer. Something had happened with the deck where we believe that it froze, the ground froze and lifted the deck up and began dragging, causing the storm door to drag across the surface of the deck. We're trying to figure out how to resolve that, and it looks like the answer is raise the storm door, and the client decided, well, since you got to take it off anyways, why don't we go ahead and get a new one. So Norm's working on getting this new full view trimmed and cut to size and getting the different pieces put on the right place. We had to change the door opening. The header actually had to get moved up, so he took some of the 2x4s out of the top of that and adjusted that so we can actually hang this new door about a ½ an inch to 3/4 of an inch taller than the previous one was hung, and that's going to prevent it from dragging on the stair unit going into the screen porch area. So we were actually out here previously working on some skylights at one point and had taken them apart and redone the adhesive around the glass to keep them from leaking in. And then we're going to get the storm door taken care of, and this is actually a very similar screening system to several porches that we've rescreened for folks before. So if you've got a screen porch like this that your screens are damaged or you need a new storm door put on it, give us a call, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁 Construction and Renovation, extension 2 for new projects. We'll take care of just about anything from building your custom dream home, additions, garages, finished basements, kitchens, bathroom remodels, and then the simple little annoying handyman stuff, the stuff that drives you crazy and you're not sure who you're going to hire to get it done, whether it's a ceiling fan in your bedroom. If we got to pull new electric for that, we can help you with that as well. Replacing storm doors. If you got water damage to your front door, we do a lot of that each year where water's gotten in around the door units. So Norm's getting ready to, he's got the hinge mount on the side of that storm door, so we're getting ready to hang that, and then off to take care of a couple other things before we call it a weekend. We hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend. It is Father's Day weekend this weekend, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. We appreciate you and all that you do to help raise up the next generation. This is Drew in Oxford, Pennsylvania for 𝗗𝘁 Construction and Renovation. We are your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. Remember, when we're done with it, it's not just done, it's 𝗗𝘁 built. We'll see you guys in another video. Bye for now. One of the beautiful things about these Larson storm doors, where they have them set up, is there's a keyhole in the top of that hinge jamb. That what we're able to do is they give you some measurements. We're able to measure down from the top. We put a screw in that location for that keyhole, and then when we go to set the door, it's just a matter of hooking it over that one screw that we put in. That takes care of setting our height, because we figured that out initially when we put that screw in location, and that holds the door. So it's a really easy operation to get that set in place, and once it's set, you don't have to finish driving all the screws. It's a lot simpler than ones where you really have to have 3 people, somebody sitting there holding the door, somebody checking the tape measure, and a 3rd guy driving the screws. This system here from Larson does a real nice job. So we like their storm doors. We tend to lean towards them, and they tend to have pretty quick turnaround time as far as ordering those in. So we like those as well. We just got that up, ready to go. Now we just got to put the rest of the screws in, and then of course the latch side, get the latch side to strike side set so that it latches properly, and they'll be good to go.